Hi guys, Nanny's visiting her friend. I've been down to charity shops, nothing to buy today, so we're going to sit in the car and do one of the wooden puzzles. Let's do the bee. I 3D printed a version of one of these. Found the plans, diagram online, converted it to a 3D printer file and printed it. And that worked for me. Oh, I've just dropped the sandpaper down the gap there. But not to worry, because I've got a load of them there. Tucked away. Okay, no instructions there. Ah. Sainsbury's. Gosh, when were they doing these? At least we've got a reasonable 3D diagram to show you how the bits go together. No apparent date on there anywhere. So, let's get on and do it. Could even follow the instructions, couldn't we? That is sheet A. A1. And B6, which will be that one. A1, B6. A5, that'll be that one. A4, that one. B2, could be that one. And A6, that one. Okay, well, we haven't got the microphone on today, so I'll just have to speak loudly. So we have that one. Looking at this, I think the 3D printed one I did might have been a fly rather than a bee. I don't recall there being quite so many bits for the head. There might have been. Anyway, that's the head. Two. Could have done with a little bag to put all the bits in. We can capture them in that and then wrap it up. Some people watch these videos after I've done them and think they're a tutorial. They're not. They are just me assembling the kit, the same as anybody else would, following the instructions. It might be helpful for somebody to watch what I've done, but I'm not doing it as an expert, or as I say, as a how-to. I'm just sharing my experience of assembling the kit. A2 and B4. Oh, nearly dropped it on the floor. Okay, which way round are these going to go? That goes that way onto that one. Okay. Yeah, pretty sure that other one I 3D printed had less pieces. It's a warm day today, March the 31st. And I'm beginning to get a bit warm sitting in the car. Might have to open the windows. Okay, that's 1 and 2. 3 is this piece. That is step 3, not piece number 3. Piece B8, if you want to be exact. Okay, 1. Goes there. Probably could do with some glue on it now. Stop it all falling apart. Is that glue any good? Oh, yeah, it could be. Right, 1, 2, oh come on, 'Squirted a little bit down there, don't want that. Oh, you can't see that, that's off the out of view, but the wood glue squirted onto the side of the car. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, couple more bits, B7, it's got to go in there, is that going to fit? Should have done that before we did the other one. Yeah, we'll get it in there. That's going to go. Right, that was B7, B1, okay, that was step 3 done. Step 4. That one. Right, B1 goes on to there, and then that one onto there. And then we got all the legs. Hold this the right way up. These are the first two. They go at the back. Let's put some glue on. Right, A at the back. One and that one. It's been a bit awkward, doesn't want to go on. There we go. And the last two. And there we are. Finished. A bee. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.